Hey everybody, Drew here. We've got some great videos for you today. We got some mods done on the Corvette C8. Man, it's looking good. We're gonna go over some of the videos. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me and hit that bell for notifications. Now listen, we've had the C8 now for 2 weeks. We've got 1,200 miles. So yes, we have been driving the car. It is not gonna be one of those vehicles that just sits in the garage. We got some shows we're gonna be doing this Saturday actually in Scottsdale. So check it out, stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and let's check out what we got done. Another beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. We are on the way to the dealership to get our high wing spoiler installed. They ordered it at the time, but they needed a couple days to put it on, so we are dropping it off today. It's Monday. Hopefully they'll have it done in a few days. Take a look at it. Here we are, got it in service, getting ready to get some installs done. Got the front lip done already. They're about to do the high wing, so we will check it out, see how she looks when we get done. So we just got the call, the car is ready, just got dropped off. They did the high wing spoiler. We're going to take a look at it and see how it looks. Hopefully they did a good job. Here we go. Oh yeah. I'm feeling that. That is definitely nice. The whole car just matches now. We got the carbon flash, metallic. Front lip done. Yeah, they did a really good job on this, except for the hand wash. I see a little water dripping on the door. All right, let's get up on out of here, go for a ride. You can see we added the front splitter, upgraded wheel package, ceramic matrix gray, beautiful color. Then we went with the high wing spoiler. The whole front end of this vehicle has been clear wrapped with the bra. Tinted windows, we went with the ceramic tint